This is how to change your cabin air filter, your pollen filter on your Dacia Sandero or stepway. We're on the driver's side right hand drive or passenger side left hand drive. This is the clutch pedal, right hand drive. I'm going to fold the carpet down, revealing a noisy workshop, revealing a clip there and a clip here. I'm literally just going to squeeze those, take that out, revealing the cabin filter. I'm going to use a little pick tool to manhandle it out because the filter is actually bigger than the opening. So it will squash coming out and you will have to squash the new one going in. Now with your new one, make sure you've got the airflow going the right way. You want the arrows pointing from the bulkhead, pointing towards the cabin. And I find the easiest way to do these, because the opening is smaller than the actual filter, put the top in and then basically roll the filter you will have to squash it, but roll the filter in so it springs in at the top, slide it round and in it goes. Then get your cover, line it up, slide it in, click click, and you're done. That's your cabin filter changed. That's all there is to it, although there are a lot easier ones. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.